Shoot away.
There he is. Bedroom 1. Bathroom. Only. Basement.
This isn't bad though, eh?
Bedroom 2, no.
Walker closet. Old school light fixtures.
Yeah.
Bronze. You don't get those anymore. You don't get them made out of bronze.
No, they just too high in demand. Everyone passed out. I don't know what that's all about there, eh?
That's the furnace.
Just needs a door. Big deck. Front.
Air conditioning. Might be negotiable.
Oh, that feels good. Big kitchen here. Some fucking old school lighting. Wine rack. Strategically out of your reach.
Out of reach with it.
Yeah. Dishwasher. Backyard. Random room. Snowboard and apparel room. Walk out here.
We could walk it on the outside if you want.
I'll just.
Just take a pic.
How did you do this? Oh, just gotta. Oh. Oh. On. Fire pit. Shed. Outdoor structure of types for motorcycles.